Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to back our channel Salim English. I am Sabasundana Shauna speaking from Darfur. I am in class 5 of Pashto Government Primary School.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I am Labonna speaking in front of you from class 5. I am a student of class 5 of Rebaktar Alim Madrasa.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello viewers, I am Abdul speaking in front of you. I am a son of Salim English. And today I am very happy and present with new blog. Hello guys, Adab Namaskar and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Purva in front of you. I'm a student of class 5. My school name is Pashutpur Government Primary School. Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Taba speaking in front of you. I'm student of class 5. My school name is Pashutpur Government Primary School. Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Tosha speaking in front of you. I'm from Pashutpur Government Primary School. I'm a student of class 5.
Hello friends, Adab Namaskar and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Adika speaking in front of you from class 5. My school name is Pashutpur Government Primary School. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Jenna speaking in front of you from class 5. My school name is Pashutpur Government Primary School.
Hello guys, this is the big bird. I like big bird.
What color is
This is the fresh water. This is the liver water, and liver name is after liver. What is standing the liver? Hello bird, this is the big bird, and big bird color is black. Hello viewers, Adab and Namaskar, back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Adika speaking in front of you. Now I want perform about a river. Okay, let's get started. I stand bank of Atrai River. I like this river very much. This river water is very fresh. In front of you. I standing on side of Atrai River. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Jamie speaking in front of you. Today I want to give our identity. So let's get started. She is my friend. Her name is Adrika. She is my friend. Her name is Tosha. She is my friend. Her name is Taiba. She is my friend. Her name is Purba. Friend. Her name is Labonno. And she is my friend. Her name is Sharno. Sad. Some friends are moving here and there. Why? Some friends are moving there and here. Why? Taiba, please come on. Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I am Taiba speaking in front of you. Now I wanted to perform about a river. Okay, let's get started. Hi friend Taiba, do you like this river? Yes, I like the river very much. Hello friend Purba, let's go to the bamboo. Okay, let's go. Go. Hello my friend, you like this breeze?
Yes, I like this breeze.
And this breeze is, I like this breeze, and backside is bamboo. This is bamboo and this is old. I like this bamboo breeze. And this is motorcycle crossing the this breeze. these bridges are very important for us. Because my friend and my friend, you can see this bamboo bridge and you can see this board and big board. Yes, this board is very big. This board color is black. This bridge very important for us. Very important. Yes, you are right. This bicycle is watching this lever in this bamboo bridge, and motorcycle is watching this lever in this bridge. Do you like do you like bamboo bridge? Yes, I like this bamboo bridge. This is headstone, and this is lever headstone. This is very nice. I like headstone. This is very beautiful. You like this headstone? Yes. Yes. This is that man is going to here. This man is going to your home. Yes. Let's go. And this is dog. I don't like dog, and dog is very expensive. Very. I wonder. I wonder this moment. There are many trees.
Viewers, this is our school main gates. Okay, let's go. This is our school garden. Is many tree. This is my school stage. Please come on, my friends. The stage is very big. The stage is very big and beautiful. I am playing this stage. I love this stage very much. Construction is going on in our school. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Hello viewers, I am Abdus in front of you. I am son of Salem's English. Now I want to perform about some daily language. Let's get started. Shoda go straight. Amake come kar. Pardon me. Tatari kar. Hurry up. Dire kata bolo. Speak slowly. Eta ka onek dure. Is it far away? Viewers pass on the opposite side. ঘুরে দাও. Turn around. আমাকে যেতে হয়. I have to go. সাবধান থেকো. Be careful. সাবধান থেকো. Be careful. Try the open sheet. আমি বই পড়ছি. I am reading books. আমি বই পড়ছি. I am reading books. এটা পাওয়ার জন্য ইটস রিজনেবল। আমাদের প্রতিবেশী আমার নেবার্স বাড়িতে নেই, নট অ্যাট হোম। দাম কত? হাউ মাচ? আর একটু সামনে দেখো। লুক অ্যাট লিটল এহেড। আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম। আই ওয়াজ ট্রাইং। কত দূরে? হাউ ফার? অবশ্যই করব। ডেফিনেটলি আই উইল। দয়া করে কথা বলো। প্লিজ স্পিক আপ। সম্পূর্ণ পরিবর্তিত। কমপ্লিটলি চেঞ্জড। Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to our channel Salem's English. Today I want to perform about some daily words. So let's get started. সম্পূর্ণ পরিবর্তিত, completely changed, বিপরীত পাশে, on the opposite side. তুমি মিথ্যা বলেছো, you lied me to me. You lied me. বিপরীত পাশে, on the opposite side. Stand up. উঠে দাও, stand up. একটা বুদ্ধি দাও. Welcome back to our channel Salem's English. I'm Purva speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about some daily language. Okay, let's get started. সম্পূর্ণ পরিবর্তিত, completely changed. সে রান্না করেছে, she is cook. একটা বুদ্ধি দাও, give me an idea. সে চলে যাও, go straight. কত দাম? দাম কত? How much? কত দূরে? How far? এটা কি অনেক দূরে? It is far away. আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, pardon me. আরেকটু সামনে দেখো। Hello friend, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our channel Salem's English. I am Taiba speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about a daily routine. Okay, let's get started.
সোজা চলে যাও, গো স্ট্রেট, তাড়াতাড়ি করো, হারি আপ, আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, পার্ডন মি, বিপরীত পাশে
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our channel Selim's English. I am Lavanya speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about some daily language. So let's get started. সোজা চলে যাও, go straight, আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, pardon me, তাড়াতাড়ি করো, hurry up, ধীরে কথা বলো, speak slowly, এটা কি অনেক দূরে, is it far away, বিপরীত পাশে, on the opposite side, ঘুরে দাঁড়াও, turn around, অবশ্যই করব, definitely I will, আমাকে বিশ্বাস করো, বিলিভ মি, দ্যাটস অল বাই ইনফরমেশন, স্টে উইথ মি ফর দ্য নেক্সট ভিডিও।
Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum and welcome to back our channel Salim English. I am Saber Sundar Short speaking in front of you. Now I wanted to perform about some daily language. So let's get started. সোজা চলে যাও, go straight, আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, pardon me, তাড়াতাড়ি করো, hurry up, ধীরে কথা বলো, speak slowly, তোমার সমস্যা কি, what's your problem, ঠিক আছে, it's okay, বিপরীত পাশে, on the opposite side, সে রান্না করছে, she is cooking, কে তোমাকে ডাকছে, who is calling you, উনি কে, who is he, এটা আমার মতামত, it is my open, 10 মিনিটের মধ্যে পৌঁছাবো, arrive in 10 minutes, এটা অনেক খারাপ, is it too bad, that's the information, আল্লাহ হাফিজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Salim's English. I'm Torsha speaking in front of you. Today I want to perform about some daily language. Okay, let's get started. সোজা চলে যাও, go straight, আমাকে ক্ষমা করো, pardon me, তাড়াতাড়ি করো, hurry up, ঘুরে তাকাও, turn around,